नमस्ते, हिंदी दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। Hello everyone, happy Hindi Day to all of you. After independence, the biggest question that arose in the country was about the language, as various languages are spoken in India. Rajendra Sinha, on his 50th birthday, that is 14 September 1949, Hindi was adopted as one of the official languages of Republic of India. It is also said that by the efforts of Rajendra Sinha along with some other people including Hazari Prasad, then Kaka Kelkar, Sharan Gupta and Seth Govindas, Hindi was recognized as official language of India and declared as second official language after English. Officially, the first Hindi Day was celebrated on 14 September 1953, which was declared by India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. It is also known as Hindi Day. Hindi is an Indo-Aryan language written in Devanagari script as one of the official language of India. Hindi is the fourth most spoken language in the world after English, Spanish and Mandarin Chinese. Mughals and Persians added their own flavor to Hindi language. Hindi Divas is celebrated every year to promote the Hindi language. In order to promote Hindi, it is advised to use Hindi in place of English in all government offices. On this day, students of school and colleges in India organize cultural programs and competitions in Hindi to show importance of the day and language. Apart from India, the Hindi language is also spoken in several other countries like Nepal, Guyana, Trinidad and Tobago, Suriname, Fiji and Mauritius. Some interesting facts about the Hindi language and Hindi Divas. Hindi is the most spoken language in India. More than 70% of the people of the country speak and understand Hindi. The most interesting fact about Hindi is that Hindi is basically a Persian language word, and the first Hindi poem was written by the famous poet Amir Khusro. The word Namaste is the most commonly used word in the Hindi language. The first web portal of Hindi came into existence in 2000. Since then, Hindi started making its mark on the internet, which has now gained momentum. Hindi is one of the 7th language in India that is used to create a web address URL. In 1918, in Hindi Sahitya Sammelan, Mahatma Gandhi for the first time talked about making the Hindi language a national language. Gandhiji also called Hindi the language of the public. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हिंदी दिवस के बारे में जानने के लिए. Thank you. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe the channel.